So, have you ever wondered what the India Gateway looks like? What the Dabbawala do? What the Dharavi Slum looks like? I've got just the video for you. Welcome to Mumbai. We have finally made it. This afternoon, I'm on a bit of a walking tour where I get to see these places and also hopefully experience my first local Indian train and maybe a bus as well. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm just waiting for my taxi to come and pick me up. I tried to get a local bus, Google Maps wasn't having it. Oh, and let's speak about the elephant in the room. My tooth fell out on the first day in Mumbai. Can you believe it? I'm off to the dentist tomorrow afternoon. Anyway, we can't let that hinder us. Everyone, welcome to Mumbai. And so, to start this tour, two very famous landmarks in Mumbai. The first one, the Gateway of India. And the second, one of the most famous and expensive hotels you're going to find in the whole of the country, to be honest, the Taj Hotel. And then as we come across here, onto the pier where we can see the boats. And for people who remember on the news, this was the hotel where some quite serious attacks. About over 150 people died. I believe it was some sort of hostage situations and maybe some bombings. So security since then has been really heightened. Uber Eats on steroids, dabbawalas. You only find this in Mumbai, in the whole of India. Now these people are taking people's lunches to offices, and there is a 99.9% success rate, and there is no technology. You'll see numbers on the bags, whether that's a postcode, an office name, office number. And these people are setting up for lunch now, and they each carry about 20 different lunches. Absolutely incredible. So you thought Uber Eats was efficient, or Deliveroo? Nothing like the Dabbawalas in Mumbai. And they're not just delivering to local offices and people who are working, they're actually going on trains as well. So a lot of these will actually be going onto a train to serve people that are commuting around the city and maybe the country. Absolutely phenomenal. And how much does it cost? 1,000 rupees for a month, where you get a meal, a lunchtime meal every single day. So work that out, that's 30p a meal. First train in India. Got the ticket, 20 rupees, and this lasts all day. So the cheapest train ticket I'll ever purchase. We're going to go 10 stops, and then we're going to head to Dharavi Slum, India's biggest slum. And the doors are going to remain open, so we're going to have to be a little bit careful, aren't we? Oh, what a place. This is also possibly the longest trains I've ever seen. Look at the size of these trains. I can't actually see, I can just see the end of it. And for people wondering why the doors are always open on trains in Mumbai, 7 million people use this every single day. And when it stops at each station, It only stops for 20 seconds and then goes again, and that's the reason why the doors are always open. Well, it's nice to get some fresh air anyway. Woo. A little bit dodgy. This has been my most enjoyable experience of Mumbai in the last couple of days I've been here. The classic Indian train ride. So now on this part of the tour we enter Dharavi Slum, which I believe is the second largest slum in the whole of Asia. 1 million people are in this, and because of it there's lots of different industries. Obviously it's like its own little city, and throughout this tour we're going to go and see some of them. One of the largest industries in the slums is the recycling of plastic. It is everywhere. There's over 1,000 stalls just in this slum dedicated to it, where people collect the plastic waste from the roads and the railways before finally sending it off to the city for the final stage of processing it.
So workers, those who are working in industries, they are immigrants people. They are not from a slum, they are not from cities. Places like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Delhi, Rajasthan, or they left their family back in their village and joined this place for work. Why? Because they don't have a work over there except farming. So that's why they selected this place for a work. So they make a food for them, a complete meal, a chapati which is made up of wheat, vegetable, rice and a curry.
There are so many industries that this slum generates $1 billion in revenue per year. So for anyone who's seen Slumdog Millionaire, this scene is where two kids are running along here. They start from over there and end up here. There was only roughly 20 seconds of the film that was actually filmed in the slum. The rest of it was all filmed in studios. The river doesn't look too nice here, I must admit. So this is where the goats and the kids hang out, play. This little one's catching some breeze, and this goat is gnawing on a piece of plastic. Welcome to Mumbai. This goat's chilling on the bench.
What the goods? How would they be done, like motorbikes or
And over here is the pot making section. What they mentioned is the people who do this, they live, work, and there's a shop in 3 separate buildings along this alley here. And the soil and clay that this is made from is actually from a different part of India. It comes into Mumbai and then they make the pots. What a brilliant place, Mumbai. We're coming towards the end of our walking tour. It's been absolutely amazing. The slum is, like the tour guide said, it's more of a city within a city. Obviously there's quite a bit of poverty there, but there's also some quite thriving businesses. And a lot of people who do well in the slum just still stay there. Even if they generate wealth, they don't leave. So no, it's just been absolutely amazing. What a place, Mumbai. And this is why I often choose, when I travel, is to do some sort of walking tour straight away when you're in a city. You know, I've learned so much more about the place just in the last few hours. Everyone's really friendly, you don't have to worry about safety, and also we have a tour guide who knows a lot of the people in the local area, as he's taken the tour for 4 years. Now that's a tough job. controlling all this traffic at this like cross section. Oh my god. Let's go. Good job, sir. Whoa. So as we wait to get our taxi to go to our final destination on the walking tour, I'd just like to say how brilliant this city is and how good this tour's been. I'll put the link below about if anyone wants to come on this tour when they're in Mumbai. Everything will be in the description below.
Way too small.
We're good. We're on first class. Yeah. Second class. And just to show you this building where all the scaffolding is wood, bamboo. It's certainly not steel anyway. And while you're at the train station, are you feeling a bit thirsty? Well, can I just show you the price of these? You can get a mango juice for 10 rupees. That's 8p. Do you remember when I said the trains here are quite long, and this train's going to be a little bit more crowded than the one previously, so let's try our best and hop on.
Please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not a whole lot of health and safety as a trip over. And here now is one of the biggest laundries in the whole of Mumbai. Any sort of hotel, railways, businesses, this is where they get their laundry done. His whole leg went down and now he's getting washed off. Brilliant. Well, what an afternoon. And so after going to India Gateway, observing the Dabbawala, going to the Dharavi Slum, and the experience of going on the trains and buses in Mumbai, it's been an absolutely brilliant afternoon. It's about 3:30 now and I've yet to eat today or even drink water. I need to find my way out. This looks roughly the right way. Right, way more videos of Mumbai and India coming up. I'll see everyone again very soon. Oh, and the dentist tomorrow at 3 o'clock, so I'll let everyone know how that goes.